If you're looking for the perfect way to keep your car, driveway, or backyard spotless without spending hours scrubbing, then you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll take a closer look at the top 5 best electric pressure washers you can buy right now. These machines combine power, efficiency, and ease of use, making them a must-have tool for every home. Stay with us until the end, because each model has its own strengths, and one of them might just be the perfect fit for your needs. In the 5th place, we have the LawnMaster Electric Pressure Washer, a compact yet capable machine designed to deliver solid cleaning power for everyday tasks. With a 13-amp motor that produces up to 2,100 pounds per square inch and a flow rate of 1.4 gallons per minute, it provides more than enough strength to clean driveways, patio furniture, decks, and even stubborn grime on outdoor stairs. It comes with 3 different nozzles at 0, 20, and 45 degrees, allowing you to adjust the spray for different jobs, whether you need a concentrated jet to cut through dirt or a wider angle for rinsing large surfaces. The inclusion of a foam bottle makes it especially convenient for car cleaning, as it sprays thick foam directly onto the surface to loosen dirt before rinsing. The 20-foot hose and 35-foot power cord combine to give you extended reach, so you can cover wide areas without constantly moving the unit. At just over 19 pounds, it is light enough to carry around, and customers praise its ease of assembly and overall cleaning performance, with some noting it is strong enough to clean PVC railings effectively. However, the durability is one of its main drawbacks, with several users reporting that certain parts feel flimsy and may not hold up well over time. Another drawback is that while it works well for light to medium-duty tasks, it may not be the best option for heavy-duty cleaning, such as stripping paint, or cleaning large driveways frequently. In conclusion, the LawnMaster is an affordable and versatile electric pressure washer that offers good value for money and is ideal for homeowners who need a reliable tool for regular light cleaning. But it may not be the right choice if you are looking for a heavy-duty or long-lasting machine. In 4th place, we have the Vevor Electric Pressure Washer, a powerful and versatile cleaning tool that delivers up to 2,000 psi and 1.65 gallons per minute, powered by a robust 1,500-watt motor. This makes it suitable for removing dirt, oil, mold, and even old paint from a variety of surfaces including cars, patios, fences, driveways, and lawn equipment. One of its strengths is the long 30-foot hose combined with a built-in reel, which makes it easy to reach wide areas while keeping the hose organized and free from tangles. It also comes with 5 quick connect nozzles ranging from 0 to 40 degrees, plus a turbo nozzle, giving you flexibility for precision cleaning or wide coverage. The included foam cannon adds great convenience for washing vehicles with thick, soapy foam. Safety is also a priority with its total stop system that automatically shuts off the pump when the trigger is not engaged, prolonging the motor's life. And it also features a press-type gun lock, GFCI protection, and an IPX5 waterproof body for added durability. Users praise how easy it is to assemble and move, thanks to its lightweight PP plastic construction, ergonomic handle, and wheels, making it a portable choice for homeowners. However, drawbacks include concerns about durability, as several customers report issues with the handle breaking on first use, the unit tipping over easily, and water leakage problems. In addition, the build quality receives mixed reviews, with some saying it works very well, while others complain it loses power or fails after only a few uses. In conclusion, the Vevor Electric Pressure Washer offers strong cleaning power, multiple nozzle options, and useful safety features at an affordable price, making it a solid option for occasional home cleaning tasks. But its inconsistent durability means it may not be the best long-term investment for heavy users. In the 3rd place, we have the Kärcher Pressure Washer, a reliable and user-friendly machine that delivers up to 1,700 psi, with a maximum water flow of 1.2 gallons per minute, making it suitable for light to medium-duty household cleaning. It comes CETA certified, ensuring independently tested performance that you can trust, and it features 3 spray nozzles, including a 15-degree nozzle, a turbo nozzle, and a 65-degree nozzle, giving you flexibility for different surfaces, whether you need precision cleaning or a wide spray. The unit is designed with convenience in mind, offering a foot-operated on-off switch that makes operation more ergonomic, and it includes a 0.5-gallon detergent tank for easy soap application. Transport is also simple, thanks to its never-flat wheels, which allow you to move it across different terrains without hassle. Customers appreciate its effectiveness on surfaces such as stucco, brick pavers, patios, and fencing, often noting that it leaves surfaces streak-free and provides good value for money as a budget-friendly option. However, there are some drawbacks, as the power level may be inadequate for tougher jobs, like heavy car washing, and several customers report mixed experiences with durability, with some units breaking down after around 8 months of use. Water leakage from the handle has also been mentioned as a recurring issue, and not everyone finds the pressure consistent. In conclusion, the Kärcher is a solid choice for small household cleaning tasks and outdoor surfaces, offering versatility, ease of use, and trusted certification at an affordable price. But it may not satisfy those looking for higher power or long-term heavy-duty performance. Secondly, we have the Westinghouse electric pressure washer, a compact yet powerful option that delivers up to 2,500 psi and a maximum flow rate of 1.76 gallons per minute, making it one of the most capable electric models in this category. It is equipped with a Pro-style steel wand and a 5-nozzle set that includes 0, 15, 25 degrees, a turbo nozzle, and a soap applicator, which gives you great flexibility for different cleaning jobs, whether you are blasting tough dirt from concrete or gently washing your car. One of its standout features is the built-in onboard soap tank, which makes car washing and applying detergent to patios, fences, or decks quick and efficient. It also comes with a 25-foot easy-coil nylon-braided hose and 4 360-degree quick-lock wheels that provide smooth maneuverability and an anti-tipping design, making it stable and easy to move around without frustration. Customers praise its consistent water pressure, ease of assembly, and compact size, noting that it is much easier to handle than bulkier gas-powered machines. The Total Stop system helps extend motor life by shutting off the pump when the trigger is not engaged, and it is backed by a 3-year limited warranty with customer service support, which adds confidence to the purchase. On the downside, some users have reported durability concerns over long-term use, with certain parts feeling less solid than expected. And like many electric models, it may not reach the power of high-end gas washers for extremely heavy-duty tasks. In conclusion, the Westinghouse is a well-designed and efficient electric pressure washer that combines strong cleaning performance, smart safety features, and excellent portability, making it an ideal choice for homeowners who want a reliable and user-friendly solution for regular household and vehicle cleaning, though it may fall short for the most demanding industrial-level jobs. And to finish, first of all, we have the Greenworks electric pressure washer, a compact yet efficient model that combines power and convenience for residential cleaning. With a 13-amp motor producing up to 2,100 pounds per square inch and 1.2 gallons per minute, it is strong enough for medium-duty projects such as cleaning decks, patios, sidewalks, pool areas, and patio furniture. It features a 25-foot kink-resistant high-pressure hose and a 35-foot power cord, giving you plenty of reach without constantly moving the unit. The design includes a telescoping handle for better portability, while the push-button start ensures quick and hassle-free operation. To enhance versatility, it comes with multiple nozzles, including 25-degree, 40-degree, a turbo nozzle, and a soap applicator, allowing you to switch between concentrated cleaning power and wide coverage rinsing. Users appreciate its ease of use, noting that it is more manageable than a conventional hose, and they highlight its efficiency and solid value for money, especially for routine home cleaning tasks. The Total Stop system adds durability by shutting off the pump when not in use, helping to extend motor life, and the overall build makes it SGS certified for safety and reliability. On the downside, durability remains a concern, as several customers report units breaking after only a few uses, with mixed experiences regarding long-term reliability. Another drawback is that while it performs very well for light to medium cleaning, it may lack the raw power required for heavy-duty tasks or stubborn industrial grime. In conclusion, the Greenworks is a user-friendly and versatile pressure washer that offers solid cleaning performance, good reach, and convenient portability, making it a top choice for homeowners who want a reliable solution for everyday cleaning jobs, although those needing professional-grade power might need to look elsewhere. In summary, these were the top 5 best electric pressure washers available right now, each offering a balance of power, convenience, and value. Whether you need something compact for light household cleaning or a stronger option for tougher outdoor jobs, there's a model here that can fit your needs and budget. Choosing the right one depends on how often you'll use it and the type of surfaces you plan to clean. If you are interested in the product, the link is in the description. But above all, subscribe to not miss the next videos. See you soon.